Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana. Boom!
Now that's a victory royale.
That's a lot of damage.
Attention, all Roblox gamers. Builderman is in big trouble, and he needs your help to take down John Doe himself. To do this, he's going to need a banhammer and a couple of million Robux. To help him, all he needs is your credit card number. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. He's going to need everything that you own. I'm talking everything. Limiteds, pets, your house. I'm talking about your Minecraft diamond armor, and, well, I can go on and on. He's absolutely going to need anything and everything, but you gotta act fast so that Builderman can absolutely own John Doe. Save Roblox.